Alright, day 9. Let's see what we've got. Day 9 is right here. As I smack my microphone with the lid of the box. Alright, we have a I have no idea what that is. That's some sort of a lamp post with mistletoe? I don't know. Let's go ahead and build it and see if we can figure out what it is. I think it's a lamp post. This also looks like a fairly complicated build, so let's see how this goes. Sorry about the crinkly plastic. Seriously, Lego, did you have to use the crinkliest plastic in the planet for this? Alright, well there's a piece I have never seen before. That's all one piece of plastic there. There's no parts. Okay. So well, it's clear that these little bits, these little yellow studs, they're going to go down the center of the lamp thing here. And then this is going to go on top. That's actually pretty neat, the way that works. I'm going to bring the focus more towards where my hands actually are. There we go. Let's see. And then this is going to go into there. And then this is going to go there. Actually going to modify their design just a little bit ahead of time here, and I'm going to put the second white stud right there just because I know it's going to be extra. Then we need to put this little clippy bit here, like so. And then we've got these berries and leaves. The berries go onto the bottom of the leaves like that. I'm going to go ahead and flip that around like so. There we go. And then this is going to clip in right here, like that. Interesting. Okay. And then we need to take this little piece and push it up inside those studs, which were hollow. So there's that. And then the little fire hydrant-y things are going to go like this. And like this. And I don't actually know. It doesn't look like there's one on the back, but I'm going to go ahead and put one on the back because there's an extra one. And then this piece goes here. And yeah, that's whatever that is. I think it's a lamp post. I don't know why they would stick mistletoe on a lamp post, but yeah, there we go. Day 9. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to support the other things I do on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.